Imagine you're in a world with no sound recordings, no fridges, and no way to fly across the globe. Sounds impossible, right? Well, not long ago, such a world existed. All these things we take for granted today, like radios, vaccines, or even zero, had to be discovered or invented by someone. Today, let's become young explorers and meet the brilliant minds who changed the world with their ideas. These are the learning objectives. Identify important inventors and their inventions or discoveries. Understand the difference between discoveries and inventions. Arrange objects by size in descending order. Recall interesting facts about scientific innovations and people. Let's begin by recognizing some inventors and their contributions. Here's a list to match. Aeroplane. Wilbur and Orville Wright. Diesel engine. Rudolph Diesel. Gramophone. Thomas Edison. Microphone. Alexander Graham Bell. Motorcycle. Gottlieb Daimler. Polio vaccine. Jonas Edward Salk. Radio. Guglielmo Marconi. Thermometer. Galileo Galilei. Xerox machine. Chester Carlson. Refrigerator. William Cullen. Did you know who invented zero? It was the great Indian mathematician Aryabhat, a discovery that changed mathematics forever. Who invented the radio? Let's break this down. A discovery is something that already exists in nature, but we learn about it for the first time. Example: electricity. Discovered by Benjamin Franklin in 1752 using a kite and key. An invention is something completely new, created by a person. Example: the gramophone, invented by Thomas Edison, could record and play sound. Think of it like this: discoveries are like finding a treasure, while inventions are like building a treasure chest to store it. What did Benjamin Franklin discover in 1752? Let's practice comparing the physical size of inventions. Given items: thermometer, aeroplane, radio. Descending order means from largest to smallest. So the correct order is aeroplane greater than radio greater than thermometer. Now think about things in your home or classroom. Can you try arranging them too? Arrange: pencil box, chair, book. Let's explore some trivia. Who invented the mobile phone? It was Martin Cooper, who made the first call in 1973 using a bulky handset. Did you know Benjamin Franklin discovered electricity during a storm by flying a kite with a metal key attached? These facts show how curiosity and boldness lead to big ideas. Why was Franklin's experiment risky? Remember how we began by wondering what life would be like without inventions? Now you know, the world would be very different. Thanks to inventors and discoverers, we can travel, communicate, learn, and live better lives every day. Let's recap what we've learned today. the difference between discoveries and inventions, names of key inventors and their creations, how to compare object sizes, fun scientific facts that shape our lives. Draw one invention you love and write its name, inventor, and use. What would you like to discover or invent one day? How can curiosity help us become better learners? That's all for today. See you in the next chapter.